Canada overall, Cambridge Turbos. So we are really confident in our team. We've got a very solid team. We've got a lot of experience. We've got some of the top players in Canada on our team. So we just knew going into the tournament we had to do what we had to do. We had to play our game. And when we didn't, these other teams are fantastic. They're all competitive teams, and so we just had to play our game and put rings in the net and keep rings out of our net. So we did a really effective job. So at no point we didn't really get too tense. We just had to come out and play a hard game of ringette. We used both goalies throughout the week, and so that gave each goalie a little bit of rest. But Jessie, as our #1 goalie, she played. She stood in her head today. She did what she had to do, right? So she kept the rings out, and we had Danny Walser as our backup, and she played some great games as well for us this week. Has led this team by example with her talent, her passion. She is a driving force, and just an amazing person to watch. She's so committed to the sport. She loves the sport. She gives back. She's played on Team Canada for years and has led Canada in world competitions. So you know what? You just can't teach that. That's a gift to our team that she actually, the younger players that come up are actually, to see her talent, to see how she plays ringette, and the desire and passion that she brings to the game and the sport. It's fantastic. Yeah, she's great venue. I love this venue. We've been coming here for different events for years, and it's just a class event. And everything ran beautifully. There was no delays. They just did a superb job, and like I say, everything just was spectacular.
If you had a message for your fans back in Cambridge, where would that be?
I'd say, go Turbos, go! We rock and we got the gold, baby.